Hey guys, how you doing? What's up? Coming all the way from the Bronx, from New York. We're here at Niagara Falls with the invitation of Doris and Brazil Kitchen. Alright, she's here to give vibes to her subscribers and her viewers. So try to subscribe, and she got more for you. From here, she's flying all the way to Canada. Alright, this is Niagara Falls in the US. And after that, in a very short moment, we'll proceed to Canada.
Yeah.
And Brazil Kitchen is in the building.
Welcome to Niagara Falls State Park. Yeah, here you do radiator diabetes. Look at those pretty flowers. Aww. So this beautiful building is the shopping center that you can shop gifts. They have a lot of souvenirs. They have restaurants in there. When you go inside, it's so beautiful. Yeah, a lot of people were buying. Yep. So this is the entrance. Yes, the entrance to the fall. The place is so nice and beautiful. Yeah, look at that. You see. Yeah, the building now one shopping center. Well, nyama ubetumi ato e dey akwachiche unamfo na family. Yeah, inside there nice aduan so wo ho. Yeah, restaurant wo ho. Nti say no. A nice area. Nti say no yereko. Yeah. And that's the entrance nening. Yeah. So, yanko. Yeah, so you can stand here and take pictures. That's what we are doing. A lot of people are taking pictures. Yes, your sister is posing here. Let's go. You. Ain't you saying, yeah, Nanto, Ako, baby, falls, no one. See, we are walking. You can see us walking. Walking to Yanko. That's so now. Maybe I need to fever and honey. We're going that way. You can see it from here, right? Yeah, the water. Let's go. Let's go. I hope Brazil Kitchen first. Let's go. Thank you all for your love, okay? Continue to support your sister. Okay, so move to me who said train was had to cut out ticket. Then what about it? Train. Yep. Ticket what on that side. One hour what on ticket. Let's go. Yeah. Says Niagara Falls State Park, USA. Nice park. Thank you.
我们明天可以去那边逛，也可以去那边逛。我们现在先去试一下我们的后海关。
We shall go. Here you. Okay. This is the Niagara Falls. Okay. Yeah.
the waterfall.
We got here, you can feel the fresh breeze. Oh my, it was so relaxing. So I'm gonna leave you guys to watch. We're going on the right side, and then we decided to go on the left side, so we have to come back and then walk over the bridge. You see that bridge there? Yeah, that's why we're gonna walk to the other side, because they have both like two sides that you can stand there and watch. So we're going back on the bridge. We are old. Yeah, into no such a Jericho falls, no, or that side. Yeah, first one here time was the other side. It's Jericho bridge, and also now we're on the bridge, so you can see the water here and water there. See, yeah, but from my never had to see it. Come on. Now we're going where the fall is. So we're on the bridge now, walking towards the fall. So you can see the water here and there, both sides. Let's go. You, into your national miracle. But I have parking in green eye. Eh, Papa. Come on. Peacefully. Now crossing the first bridge, you know, another one. The second one in Jericho. My exercise, so can't worry, Kakra. I will show them. This is real exercise. Now I'm hot. Maybe I said, Ghana cocoa be quiet. Cocoa I see be quiet. And I'm almost a. Then you're going to get. Look at see, and I'm a fool. That's a option. If you don't know where to watch, I want to call friends in my talk about. There's a year to my father's side. How you can tell you watch it. Nice, so beautiful.
I like that one. I like that one. Hey, I like that one. I like that one.
Look at the way the water is falling. Look. It's so beautiful and amazing. It's fun to now look at the two boats. One going to Canada, one coming from Canada to back to Canada. Oh my, Canada. Yeah, but we never drive it into. We don't need to. Yeah, into bus nini. Yeah, bus nini. And also to ticket and I just said okay. Right. You're back. You go back to the parking lot. Nah, you drive your car. Canada.
Yeah.
All for you.
Yeah.
You best see our Canada.
Oh, but you remember Biana?
Oh yeah. I want back camera and I better than you.
Hey, MC Osuja is in the building. Got it.
Yes. You, Abusafo, in Yak around and station. Nerifia, Yako, Canada then. And in here. So thanks for visiting. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Okay.
Welcome to Ontario.
Yay.
Ontario.
Enter.
But do they have Dairy Queen here? Oh my God, they don't have that in New York.
They have everything. They have like Enterprise also here.
You said they have what?
Enterprise.
No, the food places.
Yeah, I'm talking about car rentals.
You're talking about cars?
And she's talking about food.
I'm talking about food.
Yeah, I got you.
But we are Canadian.
Like Denny's breakfast. Like I've never seen that in America.
Yeah. We have to go grab our place.
So now, in this Jericho Hotel, Young Hotel. We are heading towards our hotel. We're hungry now. We've got to eat something.